Hey Siri. Hey Siri, how's the weather today? I am very happy that finally we got our 14 Pro Max iPhone. This is the 2022 new iPhone that released last month. So for this phone, I actually ordered this September 8th and it arrived October 8th, so it took like a month for it to deliver or got here. It's been hard to get the actual phone in store. I went to Vegas and Denver because I was trying just to get my phone in the Apple store, but it's all sold out in stores. So I just waited patiently for a month for our phone to arrive, and I am very happy and satisfied for this phone. The reason why I upgrade my phone, it's because for the camera. So actually my old phone, this is the gold 12 Pro Max. The camera for this phone is 12 megapixel, and for the newest iPhone, the main camera is 46 megapixel. So it times 4 for the clarity of the camera, which I really need for my vlog, because not all the time I can bring my vlogging camera wherever I go. Sometimes it's kind of awkward to bring it public places. So this camera, it has the cinematic mode, which the 12 Pro Max doesn't have. And yeah, we're going on a trip tomorrow. We're going to Orlando for Universal Studio Horror Nights. So I'm gonna bring you out with me for that as well, and Disney. We're gonna be there for 3 days. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna video like this, okay, side by side like that, and I am gonna attach this to this video, so you'll see the difference of the quality. So yeah, let's go outside. Now we're here outside the house. I'm using the 14 Pro Max front camera. I love the 14 Pro Max. It's very clear. All my imperfections is very visible. Yes, I have a lot of pimple marks. I'm just chilling here outside, enjoying the sun. So now we are using the cinematic mode of 14 Pro Max, which the 12 Pro Max doesn't have, and this is one of the reasons why I bought this new phone, the 14 Pro Max, is because of this feature, which the background is blur, and actually you can adjust the blurriness of how much do you want the background to be blur and how focused you want in your face. We're not gonna bring all the time our vlogging camera wherever we go. Sometimes it's kind of bulky to bring vlogging camera in public. But thanks to this new phone, thanks to iPhone for this new feature that we don't need to bring our vlogging camera all the time wherever in public. And yeah, this is so cool feature. Definitely worth the price, and would really recommend for those people who wants to start vlogging and doesn't have a vlogging camera. If you want to see the result of my vlog during Horror Nights and in Disney World, definitely subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, please do subscribe. And that way you'll help my small channel to grow. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And that is all for today for the unboxing of our 14 Pro Max new phone. I will definitely navigate and check more features about this phone, and I would love to share more stuff to you guys. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Take care always. I love you guys. Mwah.